Welcome everyone to lecture 2 of Introduction to Machine Learning with Python. In this lecture I will talk about some more introductory part, then I will go to the applications. So machine learning is basically intersection of three main fields which are shown by these Venn diagrams. First one is computer science. Second one is statistics. And the third one is artificial intelligence. So machine learning will lie in the intersection of these three fields. It means it has use of concepts from these three fields. So this part shown by the yellow one is machine learning. So now coming to the applications of machine learning. So let me give you some of the most used application of machine learning applications. First one is very common and very popular, that is the recommender system or automatic recommender system. So it includes which movies to watch, or to what food to order, or you can say what products to buy. So these are example of automatic recommendation system. Second one is personalized online radio. So personalized online radio, where based on customers preference or based on individual preference you will get the content of the audio. So that's why personalized online radio. And other one is face detection. So finding or recognizing your friend's photo or your photo in your FB pics or any social media pic or any picture. So whether it is a Facebook or Amazon or Netflix or any big company, or you can say any company, they are using nowadays multiple machine learning model in their sites. To make a good decision that will impact their business overall. So you can write it machine learning. So they are using machine learning in large scale nowadays, and it will increase with time. So that was some of the commercial application, but application of ML is not limited to that only. You can use in many non-commercial applications as a scientific research. So I will mention some of them. So non-commercial applications. So it can also be used by scientists to understand the stars. It can also be used to find the distant planets. It can be also benefit scientists for discovering new particles. From wherever you can get data, then you can get information after applying these models. So to know more about the genes, it can also be used to analyze the DNA sequence, or it can also be used for the personalized cancer treatment. So research are going on in these non-commercial applications as well. So but your application doesn't need to be a large scale or world changing in order to use the machine learning model. You can get benefit in small problem as well, if you know the technique, what technique to use. So I'll tell you about what kind of questions, what kind of answer you will get from these lectures throughout the course from starting to end. So you will learn about following things. The first one is why machine learning is so popular. I have given a very little hint about this question, but later on you will also see why this is so popular. Second is what kind of problems you can solve using machine learning. What kind of problems can be solved using machine learning. And the third one is very practical and very important, is you will learn how to build your first machine learning model. How to build your first ML model or machine learning model. So thank you everyone for listening.